Alright, it's about 10 o'clock right now. The snow is supposed to start at 9, but some flakes are just starting to fly. We have a snow day today, which is great. I'm just hoping that we get a lot of snow. We were originally supposed to get 4 to 8 inches. It looks like it might have come down a little bit. It's kind of the East Coast, I guess. We'll see what happens. Some flakes are just starting to fly. And yeah, hopefully we get like a lot of snow. I have to say, my faith has been restored in Mother Nature. It's about 11:30 right now, and it's been snowing this hard for about half an hour. We already have half an inch, and I'm really stoked. I can't wait to get out on my skis and definitely just like shred some of this. I'm so stoked right now. As you slipped on down the length of my tongue, did you taste the salt that I make home? You carry a song down on the stars, and up from the sea where everybody knew. All you see and all you hear is all you need. Great day so far. The snow keeps falling. We're gonna go stretch some streets.
I'm riding on the back of his skis.
Alright, change of plans again. We're gonna head back to my house, sesh the rail in my backyard, hopefully stack some sweet clips.
Big up Bartolini, Mini, Money, Mo, and Flower, you're the chosen one. Will your left hand free and your right hand with another left and watch his right hand slip towards his gun.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Do you wanna mess with this? One of the best yet. We've got it. You can feel the realness in this business of rap. Go ahead. Fresh out the gate again, time to raise the stakes again. Fatten my plate again. Y'all cats know we always play to win. GNG to the stars, son. Haters took this shit too far, son. So that's all for you. I'm wiping out your whole team. I'll splatter your dreams with lyrics to shatter your schemes. The badder you seem, the more lies you tell. The more lies you tell.
It's Monday night now, and it's still snowing. This weekend was great. We got hit with 2 storms on Friday and today. We got 2 days off. And so a 4-day weekend. Had a great time shredding with some friends. I'm so thankful that Mother Nature delivered this storm, and I'm so thankful for the opportunity to make a movie. We got about 16 inches in total, so I hope this marks the beginning of a great backyard skiing season. So thankful for the opportunity to get to shred with some friends, and yeah, see you next time. Peace.
I suggest you take a rest, so if you stand in my way, I'ma have to spray. Learn that if you come against me, son, you're gonna have